Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the app language in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the little hexagon. And then at the very top we find the app language. If you tap on this, then we can change the language of the app to whichever of these fits us. So I don't know. For example, we can switch it to German or Greek. Yeah, I guess that pretty much explains itself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.